What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you one more little creative asset from Filmora, and that is being able to create your own music using AI. So we are going to go under the audio tab here, and you will click that, and you will click AI music. So right here it says generate AI music. Start generating your own music today. So we will hit start. And as you can see, I already have a couple of few clips for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to go into the AI music generator, and I am going to say I want some sentimental music. I want the tempo to be low. And I want, let's see, the theme. So that's the mood. We'll go to the theme, and the theme will be romance. And the genre, let's do pop. And then we'll hit start, and it'll give you a few choices of songs to listen to. It'll sort of be the same song but sound a little bit different. So you will pick the one that sounds the best to you or that's more appropriate to your video. So I'm going to listen to each song and see which one I like the best. So let's listen to 004. So that is a little bit of a clip of, and I don't want this to be too loud for you. That is a little clip of 004. We'll go to the next one. And let's listen to the third one. So actually, I think I like the second one best. So I will download that second one. I actually want to download all three because I can use these in different videos. But I am going to go ahead and close this. It's going to tell me that the songs in the generator are going to disappear, but the ones I downloaded will stay. I'll just click OK. We'll go over here and click generated music. And which one did I say? 005 was the one I think that I liked the most. So what I'll do is just add it to here, and then I'll just clip it. We'll do it this way. This is easier. We'll go to here, the end of the clip, and I'll hit the scissors and I'll hit delete. What I also want to do is I like for my music to trail off at the end. So you'll highlight that little dot right there and just drag it over. Didn't mean to do that. Just drag it over this way a little bit, and then your song will fade out at the end. So we are going to hit play. And that is it. It is as simple as that to get AI music from Filmora. And you can sort of play around with it. If you find a song you say, it's okay, but I don't really like it, you are free to change it up. You just simply don't have to download it. You can just go through the selections again until you get what you like. But that is it, you all. That was just a quick tutorial on the new AI music in Filmora or Wondershare Filmora. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.